Hi friend, when you are ready to use the checkweigher, please check this value 0 first, 0, and then put your product to check the weight. Remember this number, and then go to the production. 66 is the password number. Confirm. Here input the product weight. And if your accuracy is 2 grams, so this way is this is overweight, this is underweight. And then we choose the dynamic mode, this mode. Now it's dynamic mode. And please do not change this weight, the value. Long press the motor run. Wait the combo bell run seconds. And then self-study plate. And the higher the number and the smaller the number, the higher the sensitivity. Please remember. And remember 3 or 5 also is okay. And then start the study. Put the product for auto learning. Okay, now study has been completed. Okay, exit and press exit. Okay, now can motor run. And now we put the product. It will alarm and reject overweight.